how do we deal with it, with the responsibility? It's one day at a time.
What we are doing is having someone's family and their lives in your hand.
Carry such a big weight on your shoulders as well.
You have to know that you kept someone safe, and also to know that someone can enjoy this.
Because when they're out on the ocean, it is your handiwork that needs to be within quality to be able to carry them through their journey.
I mean, the moment we put on the power, there's nothing that's, you know what, that's not working, this is not working. It's just a smooth sailing.
It's a responsibility, a big one.
And they will talk about this for years.